DisputeBase is marketed as a credit repair and dispute automation tool designed to help users challenge inaccurate items on their credit reports. It promises to simplify the process with templates, automation, and guided steps. Looking at the Google reviews, DisputeBase holds an impressive 4.7 stars across 2,269 reviews, which suggests strong customer satisfaction. Many users highlight its ease of use, clear instructions, and noticeable improvements in their credit scores after using the platform. On Trustpilot, the feedback is also positive, with reviewers praising the transparency and customer support compared to other credit repair services. That said, like any credit repair tool, results depend on your specific situation. DisputeBase can streamline the process, but it doesn't guarantee removals if the dispute items are legitimate. It's best seen as a tool to make the process faster and more organized, not a magic fix.